my people. How are you this morning? Welcome to my channel. My name is Eva. If you are new here, subscribe to my YouTube channel and join the family. It's a very beautiful Monday. It's a very beautiful day. Is it Monday or Tuesday? Sorry, it's Tuesday. Very beautiful day. Very cold, very chilly, as you can see. It's like we're in Limuru. It's like we're in the UK. I've never seen this place being this cold before. And imagine it's August, guys, and it's still very cold. I haven't even done anything. I'm just about to make breakfast. Let me show you guys how it's going. Welcome to my channel. There's so many birds over here. They are chanting outside. Yeah, welcome to my family. Guys, subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in a few as I show you what I'm making for breakfast. Thank you, my people. Let me stand here because of the lighting. As you can see, my mandazis are here. Some are already cooked. Yeah, just waiting for breakfast. As you can see them. Yes. And later, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers and meet our target. Thanks a lot for the love, guys. Subscribe, and share my channel. Let me show you in a few how the mandazis are cooking. Yeah, some are here and some are here. Yeah, I'm gonna remove these ones because they are almost cooking. Yeah, actually one has gotten burnt. My ingredients my ingredients are rosemary. I've put rosemary, I've put lemon, I've put some sugar, some salt, and I've used self-raising flour so that they don't get burnt. Yes. Yeah, that's what I was saying, guys. That is my secret ingredients. Yeah. So see you in a few, guys, as I show you what's cooking. Let me show you guys what's cooking. There are many. Yeah, the mandazis are almost ready. Let me remove some have already cooked. I have to remove them from the jiko so that they don't get burnt. Yeah, as you can see, some are here. Yeah, you're gonna enjoy with some hot African tea. By the way, I usually put my tea herbs. Yes, yeah, so that they can get more sweeter, and it's also very nutritious. Yeah. Wow, they are golden brown. And the last one, last but not the least, I already have some here. Yeah, 4 of them. I'm gonna put them inside the pan. These are the last 4, so you can see how it's going. Guys, my mandazis are ready. Let me serve tea. Yeah, my cup is here. Yeah, this is African tea, very hot. As you can see, very hot. Yeah, let me add a little bit. Then after that, I'm gonna serve my mandazis. Yeah, serve my mandazis. As long since I used this plate. Yeah, my mandazis are here. Yeah, I'm gonna put a few. I'm gonna eat how many? How many can I eat? How many? Comment down the line how many mandazis you can finish. Let me know if you are a greedy person. Yes. But for me, 5 are enough. Let me show you. They are here. See you in a few as I start taking my breakfast. Cheers, guys. The house is progressing well, as you can see. Wow. So hii itamwagwa hapa hivi? Oh, hii pia inafanywa kama hapa ndani? Hii ni tumehatu huko ndani. Oh, itawekwa tu hapa? Itawekwa hapa. Oh. Okay. People, the house is progressing well, as you can see. I'm so excited. You're almost done. God is good. God is good. Look at the garden. Everything is being fixed up. Everything is paragasha, but in due time, it's gonna be okay.